Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we just finished the Guerrero Brotherhood Outreach Program right here in Sitio Kambubuyugan and Sitio Maugat, DRT, Calauacan, Bulacan, Philippines. And to tell us more about the outreach program and the Guerrero Brotherhood, I got here the one and only, none other than the good judge, GG, the Grand Guerrero, Judge Ralph Lee.
Okay, good afternoon to everyone. We just finished and concluded our outreach offered by Guerrero Brotherhood. Guerrero Brotherhood is a civic organization, a non-government, a multi-sectoral group, all walks of life. We are here to reach out to especially to our IP, or the indigenous people, and we would like to thank our brothers who have contributed, who sponsored this outreach. And we do this in Guerrero Brotherhood at least more or less four times a year. So hope you support also our incoming outreach activities. And we do this not for ourselves. We're happy to serve people. We're happy to offer our resources to others. For the love of Guerrero, Guerrero.
All right, thank you very much. The good judge, Judge Ralph Lee, Grand Guerrero, the Guerrero Brotherhood. This has been Alvin Klein for Golden Tiger Radio.
Ako'y isang Guerrero para sa karapatan, katotohanan at katwiran, ika'y sasamahan. Mandirigma ko kung tawagin, kahit anong laban ay aking haharapin. Hindi ako takot magmahal, kahit anong sapitin, dahil may Diyos akong umiibig din sa akin. Mandirigma ako kung tawagin.